Hi, I'm Christina Mila, and now will explain the instruction for using the washing machine. The first step, make sure the cable is connected to electricity. Then open the cover washing machine. Put the dirty cloth and the detergent into the washing machine. Then turn on the water up to 20 cloth and close the cover washing machine. Turn it on by pressing the on-off button and make sure the light indicator is on. Then press the start button. Wait a few minutes by pressing through soap, wash, and spin step. After a few minutes, there is a sound injected. The process is complete. We open the